What are you doing, chicken? What are you doing, chicken? I don't have any food. Jeez Louise. No chicken.